Forex trading has a 90% fail rate reputation, and most of those people fail in the exact same way. They deposit money, trade randomly, and lose it all within weeks. But here's what nobody tells you. The failure is not the market's fault. It is a missing process. In this video, I will walk you through the exact step-by-step path a beginner should follow in 2026. From zero knowledge to your first live trade, including the numbers most YouTubers never show you. Before you give any broker money, have 5 things sorted. 1. Your risk budget, money you can afford to lose completely. If that is 0, do not start yet. 2. A demo account. Every reputable broker offers one for free. 3. A strategy, even a simple one, written down. 4. A risk rule, never more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. 5. A broker that fits your country. Regulation and local payment methods matter more than flashy marketing. Our site has a 2-minute quiz that matches you to a broker based on your country, budget, and trading style. I will link it below. You do not need a finance degree, but you do need 10 terms. PIP, the smallest price move, usually the 4th decimal. Spread, the difference between buy and sell price. That is the broker's cut. Leverage, borrowed size. 1 to 100 means a $100 margin controls a $10,000 position, and losses are magnified the same way. Margin, the collateral you put up. Lot, a standard trade size. Long and short, betting price up or down. Stop loss, an order that closes your trade at a set loss. Take profit, closes at a set gain. And drawdown, how far your account falls from its peak. 10 terms. That is most of the beginner vocabulary. Here's the strategy I would give a beginner in 2026. Trend following with a simple rule set. 1. On the daily chart, identify the trend. Higher highs and higher lows is up. 2. Wait for a pullback to a moving average or a previous level. 3. Enter in the direction of the trend. 4. Put your stop below the level and your target at the next level. 5. Take the trade only if your risk is under 2% of your account. That is it. No indicator soup, no signal groups, no secret. The simplicity is the point, because you have to follow it for months to see if it works for you. This is the step 90% of beginners skip, and it is the difference between the two outcomes. Open a demo account, free, virtual money, real market prices, and trade your strategy for at least 30 days, logging every trade. Your goal is not to make money on demo. Your goal is to answer 2 questions. Can I follow the strategy consistently, and can I handle losing trades without abandoning it? If you cannot trade a demo with discipline, a live account will just lose real money faster. Our demo account guides cover the setup step by step. When you go live, go boring. Deposit the minimum your chosen broker allows. On most of our top brokers, that is $5 to $10. Trade the smallest position size available. The point of your first live months is not profit. It is learning what real fills, real spreads, and real emotions feel like. Most people who blow up do it in their first week, overtrading small moves. Your first 3 months live should be boring. If it is exciting, you are doing it wrong. Once you are live, the routine that keeps you alive. 1. Review every trade in a journal. What you entered. Why? What happened? 2. Monthly review. What did the data say? Not your feelings. 3. Never increase risk after wins. That is how you give it all back. 4. Withdraw a little profit periodically. Seeing money come out builds discipline. And 5. Keep learning from reputable sources, not from Telegram mentors promising guaranteed returns. Those are the scam pipeline, and they target beginners specifically. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick game. It is a skill you build over months. If you follow these 6 steps, prep, learn the terms, pick a simple strategy, demo for 30 days, go live small, maintain the routine, you will be ahead of most people who ever open an account. Start with the free quiz to find a broker for your country, read the beginner guides, and open your demo this week. And if you want daily market analysis for free, our community shares it on Telegram at Unshakable Traders. The link is in the description below. Links to the full reviews are below too.